75 hard, 75 days straight performing certain things. Me personally, I'm doing workout daily, fasting daily, reading daily, content daily, and cardio daily. Go to the gym once a day to do my cardio and do my workouts. I'm gonna fast at minimum 12 hours every day. I'm gonna read a chapter out of whatever book I so choose for that day. And I'm gonna be filming for the most part every day or every 2 days in order to get the content uploaded every day. I'm gonna do it for 75 days. It's gonna be really interesting because the consistency that takes is gonna be wild. But it's a challenge that I'm giving myself. It's a challenge that I want to involve you guys in, and we'll see how it goes from there.